If you've been searching for cookware that's genuinely non-toxic, easy to store, and flexible enough for everyday cooking or RV camping, this review is for you. Today, I'm taking a close look at the Redchef truly non-toxic pots and pans set, an upgraded ceramic cookware set designed for healthier meals and smarter kitchens. The purchase link is available in the description below. Now let's talk about what makes this Redchef ceramic cookware set different from the many so-called non-stick pans on the market. Why this cookware is truly non-toxic. A lot of cookware claims to be safe, but Redchef goes a step further. This set uses a 100% non-toxic ceramic coating that is completely free from Teflon, PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, PFOS, lead, and mercury. That means no harmful chemical residues and no questionable materials breaking down over time. This makes the Redchef pots and pans set an excellent choice for families with babies, kids, or pets, as well as anyone serious about clean, healthy cooking. Upgraded nonstick performance. Redchef's upgraded dual-layer ceramic coating delivers up to 5 times better nonstick performance compared to standard ceramic cookware. You can cook with minimal oil, making it ideal for fitness-focused lifestyles or anyone trying to eat lighter without sacrificing flavor. Food releases smoothly, colors stay vibrant, and cleanup is fast and simple. Just remember to add oil to a cold pan and cook over medium to low heat for the best results and longer pan life. Key features highlight: 100% non-toxic ceramic coating with no PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, or PFOS. Upgraded dual-layer ceramic for long-lasting non-stick performance. Detachable handle system with secure grip and smooth release. Stackable design that saves up to 75% cabinet space. Oven safe up to 842 degrees Fahrenheit without the handle. Compatible with gas, induction, electric, and ceramic stovetops. Ideal for home kitchens, RVs, and camping. Detachable handle and space-saving design. The patented detachable handle is one of the biggest highlights of this cookware set. With a single click, you can move from stovetop to oven, serve directly on the table, then stack everything neatly for storage. Once the handle is removed, the pots and pans stack compactly, saving up to 75% of storage space. This is a huge advantage for small kitchens, apartments, RVs, and campers where every inch matters. Built for RV and camping use. This Redchef cookware set is designed to perform anywhere. The high-density aluminum alloy base ensures fast, even heat distribution and prevents hot spots or sticking. It's built to handle high temperatures and tough conditions while maintaining consistent cooking results. Whether you're cooking at home or outdoors, this set transitions seamlessly between environments. What's included in gift appeal. The set includes a 2.5-quart stew pot, an 8-inch frying pan, a 10-inch frying pan, an 8-inch glass lid with silicone edge, and a detachable handle. It's compact, functional, and designed with a modern, stylish look. This also makes it a fantastic gift option for housewarmings, weddings, holidays, or anyone upgrading to healthier cookware. Final thoughts. If you want cookware that's genuinely non-toxic, space-saving, and versatile enough for daily cooking or RV life, the Redchef truly non-toxic pots and pans set is a smart investment. Don't miss out. Grab yours today by clicking the link in the description and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and practical buying guides. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.